Hey, yo, Jay, can you teach me how to use Sway Charts Pro? Hey, and the answer is yes, I can, right? A lot of people love MT5 and MT4, but this right here is exactly the same, but 100% better. All right. I'll show you MT5 real quick. So you see how we got the pairs here, the chart, and then you can see where the money's, fluctuating here and indicators up here. All right. We got the same layout over here. Pairs, chart, see where your money's fluctuating, but they went a step further, added it up here, and then your indicators is right here, right? And it looks more cleaner, it looks nicer. All right, so let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is you want to come over here to these three lines, click that, and you go down here to settings. All right. Now, of course, I customize my chart. Long meaning the market's going up, short meaning it's selling. So if you want yours to stay red, you could do that. But they do have dark theme, blue theme, white theme, depending on how you want to do yours. I like mine nice and dark. You feel me? So you just hit save and then you're done with that. All right. Once you're done with that, then you can come over here to these settings. Boom. All right. You want to get on over here, you go to show. You go to click on show order ladders. All right. If this isn't checked, make sure you click that in your navigation. All right. And then you're good on that end. Order ladders is over here, right? So these will be your stop loss, take profit, pending orders, stuff like that. Very easy. So like, let's say I think the market is buying. I do this green one and I just go up to where, I think, boom. And I click, boom. All right. Now I could do my pending buy. I could put in my lot sizes here, if I need to. And then I can go a step further and add a stop loss. Right. And then I go a step further and drag that up and add a take profit. Boom. Right. And these are just, pending orders. And you could do it like that. Now, if I don't want it, I just click those and we're done. All right. So that's what these order ladders are for. These are the buy ones. These are the sell ones. So that's why you want that on the chart. Makes it a lot easier to do. But then let's get straight to, indicators. So we click on here. Okay. You can go to add indicator. All right. Whatever indicator is your favorite. These are some of the ones I use. Some of them I have hidden because I mainly only show my exponential moving average, which is a 200 moving average. I do have period separators on, and that's just to identify the day of the chart, like on the H1. Simple moving average will be my 20 moving average. Then I have a stochastic oscillator, and then a zigzag, but I don't really use the zigzag as much on here. So the three you would use, depending on, if you want to use the same one as me, this one. So this is 200 moving average. EMA, this is a simple 20 moving average. And that'll be pretty much it. But they do have, a list of different things here, and you can also search as well. You can also hit the star, just to favorite them so they'll be there when you need them. All right, so all your pairs over here. All right, if you click on list, right, you can load a watch list if you already have one. Let's go to edit my watch list. So things that I don't like, I can just click off right here. Things that you like, you can keep on. All right, if I go to tools, they got a bunch of different things you can use here. Load templates and all that kind of stuff, which you don't really need. Another thing about list is you can add. So when you click on add watch list, you got your Forex majors, you got your cryptocurrencies, you got your commodities, you got Forex exotics, stocks, everything, metals, indices, a little bit of everything, man. Synthetics, we'll talk about that in another video. So another thing that they have, you click on this plus sign here. They got a news little app indicator. They got a profit calculator, right? So this one here kind of will bring up different news items for the day. All right, so you'll have that. If I go here again, let's take profit calculator. You can calculate your lot size and all that stuff. If you ever want to measure your pip count, you want to go here to this icon right here, the cursor. Come down here to measure, and we can measure how many pips. So if I go here to here, all right, you can see that's 45 pip move. So a lot of the things are exactly the same, guys. And it's just the user experience is just doper. And they do have the same on the app. You know what I'm saying? You can go ahead and get the app as well. And you'll be able to trade this thing, right? So another dope thing they got, like if you click on this drawing tool, like I said, I got rectangle saved right now, but you can, make support and resistance zones, things like that. You can do those. If I click here again, they do have like a freehand draw tool where you can draw certain things on a chart if you're doing like a tutorial, things like that. They also have like little, icons and arrows and stuff if you're doing like any demonstrations, things like that, and you need people to see certain stuff. So they got all kinds of different things you can use on here, y'all. That just makes the trading experience a little better, a little easier, a lot sleeker. So that way, you can get this money. Also, if you click here, these are price alerts. So if you think, the price is going to hit a certain level and you need to get an alert about it, you can set it here. So for instance, right, let's say I think price is coming back up here to this section here. What I can do is go here, give me a horizontal line, place that around right in here. All right, now you see this number that's currently right here. I go to price alerts. I can put that number in there, right? And it'll alert me when it hits that level. All right, so that way I'll know, do I want to get in? Do I not want to get in? Things like that. So if I go up here and I click on this particular tab, right, it'll show me the different candles. So if I do regular candles, they'll look like that. All right. If I don't see Hakanashi and I want to use Hakanashi candles, all right, you go here, you go to other, and then you have Hakanashi candles here, right? So you can use those as well. So this particular platform just has everything you need. Your sell button here, your buy button here, your lots, everything you need, right? And then if I want to save a template, click this, chart template, save, and then add whatever name and then just save it. So whatever chart you click on, right, you could just open that template and it'll automatically put all your indicators on the chart, change it exactly how you need it, and then you'll be good from there. Also, if you ever want to see how much free margin you have while a trade is in place, you want to click on margin level. It'll show you everything. It'll show you the equity amount, your balance, your floating profit, all of that stuff. It'll show you if you're on a demo or if you're on a live account. For the most part, demo will just say DEM. And then you come down and you'll be able to just see all your margin usage. But the main part is this here, free margin. You always want to keep your eye on free margin whenever you're placing trades. Make sure your lot size isn't too big, so that way you can hold a trade longer. Another way you can check your market list is here. Click on whatever pair is here, and then you have all your majors and all that stuff again. You can hit favorite on all the pairs that you like, right? So that way they'll be here if you need it. Another thing you can do is if you go over here and you go to your account history, right? You go to list. All right, now you'll be able to see all your profit, your history. As you can see, I placed a few trades on here. So far, deposited 10 grand, made 5,000 on a sale here. All these are the same trade. This one, exact same trade. So made around, 12, 13 grand on trades. And, the count is now at 22. But you'll be able to see all of that stuff all the way down. If we go back here and you click on currency strength, you'll be able to see, which ones are more bullish, which ones are more bearish. If you click on this settings icon, you can see short term, you can see the long term of it, and customize it however you want to if you ever wanted to use that. Quotes, it'll show you the spreads, of each pair. So that way you'll know, okay, what's the spread on these. All right, now use ECN. Those are the one that takes a small commission out of each trade. All right, now if you just want charts without anything else, you just want to click on this, click charts, and then you'll have a wide screen without all the extra stuff on it. All right, so if you like that, you'll be able to do it like that for like examples and stuff like that. Works really good. So that way you don't have anything else on the chart distracting you. If you click here on where it says H1, yours may say something different, but you double click it, right? You can pick all your time frames, 1 minute, 2 minute time frame, 15, all of that, hour, daily, weekly, things like that. And last but not least, your chart, how to move it. So like you see these over here. If I go up, I can stretch it out. I can make it small, do it like that. And then I could use this horizontal to, go like that. all right, if I need to. All right, but if you ever get too far on your chart, let's say you're scrolling here and you just want to get back to where it is, you need to double click down here. And that puts you right back. And then from there, again, you can adjust your chart however you need to. And that way, while you're marking up your chart with these levels, you'll be able to see it a whole lot clearer. So hopefully this video helped you. You know, like again, the broker is below. Make sure you sign up, get this thing popping, and I'll see y'all in another video. Let's go.